Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you, present spring onion pakora. Take 1 bunch of spring onions. Trim the ends of spring onions. Mine is uneven but cut into thirds. Cut the ends as shown. So you'll get these flowers. You can easily cut with scissors. Cut the ends as shown. Repeat the same procedure for all. All flowers are ready to soak. Now in a bowl take ice cubes. Put spring onion flowers. Pour water. Soak in ice cold water for a few hours. In another bowl take 3/4 cup plain flour, 1/4 cup rice flour, 2 tablespoons cornflour, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, pinch of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder. Add salt to taste. 1 teaspoon chilli flakes, 1/2 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves, 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder, 1/2 teaspoon ginger garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cumin and carom seeds. Mix well. Add sparkling water. Add more soda. Whisk in the soda water to form a medium thin smooth batter. Add more or less soda if needed. The batter is ready. Soak well until they're hard enough to hold the shape. Once soaked well you'll get these shapes. Immediately coat the onions in the batter and fry. Coat well. Heat up the oil on medium-high heat. Coat well. Place one by one. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan as this will lower the temperature of the oil. Flip the sides. Fry 2 to 3 minutes. After a couple of minutes, once golden brown, remove onions from oil and drain on kitchen towel. Time to plate. Hear the crunchiness. It goes very well with tomato ketchup. Hear the crunchiness. Hear the crunchiness. Do try this delicious unique onion pakora recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.